Welcome back to the Humphreys YouTube channel. I'm Jill, and today we're going to be going over the hot box. This is probably one of the most highly requested videos that we have had as of late. We've gotten a lot of comments, a lot of messages saying, hey, I'd love to see a walkover of the hot box. So I guess without further ado, let's kind of go over the hot box, what it is and how it came to be. So the hot box is the vertical drum smoker reimagined. The goal pretty much with everything at Humphreys is to see something, have a great idea. We want to improve upon things, make it easier for our customers, easier for ourselves, and really have fun with barbecue. And so that's kind of where the hot box came from. So as I said, it's the vertical drum smoker reimagined, made greater. So one of the major components of that is having a door up front where you can access your firebox. So this is where you would add your charcoal into. It is also the Humphreys all-in-one firebox system. So when it comes to cleanup or firebox management, makes that a lot easier. It has the integrated ash pan, so that when you're ready to empty your ash, you can just pull that right out of there and do that. Or say you wanted to add more wood chunks or something in, you could absolutely do that very easily as well. And of course, you see that fun Hotbox logo on there. And it is the same slam latch system that most the Humphreys cabinet smokers do as well. So if any of you already own a Humphreys, you should be pretty familiar with a lot of the features on this Hotbox. 6-inch casters, they can be upgraded to 8-inch or 10-inch. You do have the thermometer right on the front, so of course you can tell the internal temperature of this smoker. And we have stainless steel handles. There are 3 located on this smoker. You have one on each side that make it wicked easy to move around, and you have one on the front that makes it a lot easier to, of course, lift the lid up and down. So one of my favorite features on this hot box is the rising system that we have on the side. So some other systems, when you lift the lid, you might need another person to help while you're like moving racks around, moving proteins. With this, you can hear those clicks right there. So once you lift it and it clicks into place, you can set it and forget it. Now you're free to move around your proteins, move around your racks, baste, brush, whatever, and that lid's not going anywhere. And so if you did want to lower this lid back down, very easy to do. All you have to do is raise it to the top, and then it'll come all the way back down. So let's give you a more in-depth look at the inside of the hot box, which has been highly requested, not just this video, but a better look at the inside of this smoker. So it comes standard with 2 of the Humphreys precision cut racks, or like the honeycomb pattern racks. And the cool thing about these racks and the hot box as a smoker is that it comes with multiple levels. So as you see, there's 2 racks up top, and of course, that's where they can stay. Or you can add another 2 racks, and you can also drop these down to the second level. So you can have 2 different levels going on at the same time. So say you wanted to cook multiple proteins, maybe like chicken and pork or pork and brisket, you could absolutely do that with ease. And matter of fact, that's what we've been doing a lot recently. If you've been following our Facebook page, you know that the Humphreys barbecue competition team has been hitting the circuit hard this year. And last weekend in Hancock, New Hampshire, we actually got a 180, Chad and Nicole did, in pork, and the pork was cooked right on the hot box. So we were super excited. We love seeing the results that we get from the hot box and the proteins that we cook on the hot box to go to competitions. And we've had great success with that, and we're super excited. So besides the multi-level rack system you have here, let's talk about some air circulation. So, show you guys how easy it is to move this around. On the back here, you have your little exhaust vent, which can be adjusted with this little circular button right here. You can just move it over to be closed and move it back to open up. So depending on how much you want that open or closed, very easy to adjust. You also have 2 air inlets right here on the side. Those can just be adjusted like so. very easy to do. We did have some comments wondering how this system works together. I do have to say that we have now done several cooks on this. Chad and Nicole have brought theirs to a lot of competitions now, and have really enjoyed how easy it is to cook on the hot box. Once it gets up to temp, it really holds temp very well. But yeah, it sounds like they've had a lot of success on it. They've gotten multiple calls now from proteins that have been cooked on the hot box, and we're super excited to get these out to our customers soon. As if you, like I said, if you guys have been following along on our Facebook page, you probably saw that we've been taking pre-orders for the hot box. The first shipment of those should be going out mid-June, so probably soon here. And we are just so excited to get those out to our customers. Our customers are super excited about them too. One thing we do want to mention here, we have had some questions about putting these on trailers and things like that because of the air inlet, the dual inlet system on the back. And we do have some fun announcements with that coming soon that will make it easier for you guys that are on trailer systems or things like that to include the hot box in your cooking routine, whether it's competition, whether it is catering, whether it's, anything like that. We definitely want to make our designs accessible to everyone. So we have some fun announcements for that coming soon. All right, and I think that concludes the overview of the hot box. If you guys have any other questions about the hot box, please comment down below. Let us know. We'd love to hear. We, of course, will be doing a couple more videos on this. I believe we do have a cooking video with the hot box coming soon. I'm not sure exactly what we're going to be cooking yet, but I'm sure it's going to be fun. If you guys have any suggestions, make sure you drop them in the comment section down below too, or send us in a message. We look forward to getting these all out. If you guys have any questions or would like to place your order, feel free to contact us today. You can either shoot us a message on here at Humphreys BBQ on all social media platforms, or send us an email in, or of course, give us a call. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are as excited about the hot box as we are, and we are looking forward to filming some more videos for you. Thanks, guys.